Hello everyone, today we are going to learn super keyword with the variables and methods. Earlier we have seen super keyword with the constructor. So let's go through this program. This is our animal class. It has a variable called living type equal to animal. And then we have another class dog, and which is extending animal class. So dog is a subclass of animal class, and animal class is a parent class. Okay, because dog is extending to animal class, and it also has same variable as parent class living type and living type equal to dog. Okay, and this is our main class, line number 12, and this is our main method. Execution of this program, of this code, will start from main method only, and here we are creating object of dog class. Dog equal to new dog, and we don't need to pass any arguments initially. So we are creating object of dog class. Okay, so if I try to print system.out.print, so suppose I want to access living type variable of the dog class. So how can I print living type of this dog class? So I can call on this object dog dot living type, and this will print dog because dog is a living type for this dog class. Let's run this program and see the output. So here at line number 14, execution will start from this main method only, and line number 14 will be executed. We are creating a dog object for this dog class. Okay, so here we will come into the dog class, and since we are extending to the animal class, we will go to the animal class first. Execution will go to animal class, and living type for the animal will be animal only, animal class. Okay, so there was nothing to be called at the animal class level, and at line number 8, in instance variables will be initialized. Since we are creating object, line number 14, we are creating object of dog class, so instance variables will be initialized. Living type will be dog. Okay, living type is currently null, but when we we complete the execution of line number 8, then living type will become dog. Okay, living type equal to dog, and system.out.println dog.living type will print dog is object of this dog class, capital D dog, and dog.living type will print dog on the output screen. Okay, see, dog is printed. Okay, and suppose we wanted to print living type as animal using this dog object. We have this dog object, and we want to use this dog object. Using this dog object, we want to print living type of animal class. So how we can do that? First we will see, first we will try to achieve this functionality, printing living type of dog class using a function, using a method. So we can have a method print type, and it just prints the living type. So instead of directly printing living type, we can call this print type method. Okay, let me call this print type method. We don't need to provide a system.out.println here because we are calling this method only, print type, and in this method we are printing living type. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. Output will be dog. When we are creating object of dog class, the execution will go to animal class because we are extending animal class into the dog class. See, execution went to dog animal class. Then again it will come to line number 8. So here currently living type is null, but when we execute line number 8, then living type will become dog. So living type is dog. And now at line number 19, we are calling this print type method dog dot print type. So it will print living type of this dog class. So in output screen, dog will be printed. See, dog is printed. Okay, so we are able to successfully print living type using this print type method also. Suppose I want to print living type for the parent class. How can I achieve that? Instead of printing living type of this current dog class, I want to print living type of animal class. Using this method, how can I achieve that? We can achieve that using super keyword in the Java. So currently living type is referring to current class variable. Okay, if I apply super dot living class, then it will refer to parent class, super class. Dog is a child class, animal is a parent class, or super class, animal is a super class. Here we have super dot living type, so it is referring to the parent super class living type. Okay, so it is referring to parent superclass living type. So superclass living type will be animal, so animal will be printed. Let's run this program and see the output. So initially we are creating object of dog class. Okay, we have created object of dog class. Okay, and living type will become dog, correct? Because instance variable will be initialized. So living type will be dog only, and so object creation is completed. Execution of line number 18 is completed. So now at line number 19 we are using this dog class object, and we are calling this print type method. Okay, so execution will go to line number 10. Okay, so line number 11 will be executed. Super dot living class, living super dot living type. Living type is nothing but dog, but we are using super keyword here. So this is referring to the parent class living type, and parent class living type is nothing but animal. So animal will be printed into the output screen. Even though living type is dog, but living type dog is for the child class. For parent class, living type will be animal. Super dot living type will print animal here into the output screen. See, animal is printed. So this is how using super keyword we can access to parent class variables also. Okay.